Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS, and I've been doing this a long time. I do IRS resolution, debt settlements. I have a total team of former IRS agents. This is the time of year that people do not get their 1099s and W-2s, and most people want their refund. The company's going out of business. You can't get your W-2 or it's not correct. What do you really go ahead and do during this time? It's extremely frustrating, especially for people who want early refunds. IRS has a substitute W-2 form, which very, very few people know about. It's on form 4852. So if you're missing your W-2 or the W-2 is wrong, use form 4852, give it to your accountant, give it to whoever you have to go ahead and correct your W-2. There's nothing worse than having a refund coming in and knowing you can't try to correct it. You don't know how to get a hold of them. It's wrong and you can't get your refund. Use that form and you'll do yourself some good. Very short form, one-page form, document it, and IRS will treat it as a regular W-2. Give me a subscription if you would. This is good information for you. You got a severe IRS problem and owe a lot of money, call me. Thank you.